Right, welcome to another Beer-Gineers beer review. So this time, I've got a beer called Summer in Winter from Swannay. Swannay? I'm going to go Swannay. Swannay Brewery in the Orkney Isles, up in Scotland, a place I've never been to. I'd quite like to go to at some point. So it's 4.1%. It's a New Zealand Pale Ale. What have we got hops wise? So we've got Nelson Sauvin, Motueka, and Southern Cross hops in there. So let's see what this is like. Right, just pour. Looks so relatively clear from what I can see. Oh, there's a bit of haze to it. As you're pouring it out though, it doesn't look quite so hazy. So I'd say that's almost like a dirty orange colour. You've possibly got two fingers ahead now. Let's see what the nose is like. I got this a bit lemon and apple is what I'm getting out of that. There's a pear. Something like apple or pear. It smells nice. Not extravagantly pungent in any way, but still smells decent. It's got my mouth watering anyway, that's for sure. So let's see what it tastes like. What was it called? Summer and Winter. Sláinte. It's quite I was going to say light in mouthfeel, but it's not really. There's plenty of hoppiness out of it. I'm trying to think one. So it's definitely like citrus. It's like a citrusy, I suppose, kind of apple pear, not pear, but sort of. It's a hint of sort of apple juice off it. I think I'm getting. There's a little bit of decent bit of fizz in it, not overly fizzy, but just enough carbonation there. It's 4.1. So 4.1 pale ale, so it's not going to be like the the thick soups of some of the other stuff you can get. It's up at like 6.5 to 8 or even 10 or 12. It's quite quaffable. It's nice enough. I think part of the problem nowadays, especially for me, when I'm going for IPAs, as in like American IPAs, I'm always expecting, because of the ones I drink, which are like 6.5% minimum, and from the breweries they come from, you expect more. But this is a sessionable beer, decent taste. Yeah, it's all right. As beers go, I always have this problem when I'm going to mark beers like this, because I'm always comparing them against things like, like the Beak or Left-Handed Giant or places like that, which that's unfair because in a way they're kind of different beers. Same name, but the brewing process and stuff, it's just not the same comparison. It's a decent enough quaffable beer. I'll give that 6.5. That's what I'm going to give it. Nice. Can't complain too much. It's not going to blow your mind. It is 4.1%, but there's a decent hoppiness to it. An interesting one. It's kind of like slightly, like I said, citrusy, appley, juicy. It's nice. That's all right. Grand. Okay. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.